Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the example of the meter bias bypass configuration for BJT small signal analysis. Okay, this is the question, which is given that R naught equal to 50 kilo ohm. So determine the RE, Zin, Z naught, AB, and AI. For the question one, you need to use DC analysis. Okay, and then for this four, we're going to use the AC analysis. Okay, for DC analysis, to find the RE, we need to remember the equation of RE equal to 26 millivolt over IE with the capital letter because this is a DC analysis. Okay, to find the IE, you need to do the KVL on BE loops. I hope you remember the BE loops KVL for the emitter bias configuration, which is we can start from the VCC KVL. So start from the VCC. VCC is equal to 20, and then we have the voltage drop at the RB represented by IB times the RB, which is 430 kilo ohms, and then we have the voltage drop at the transistor represented as VBE. The value is 0.7, and then we have the voltage drop at the RE represented as IE times with the 1K equal to 0. So from the BE loops, if you remember, we need to find the value of IB first. So to find the value of IB, we need to represent IE in terms of IB. So IE is equal to beta plus 1 times with the IB. So just substitute the value here. So you're going to have the value of IB 20 minus 0.7 over 430k plus beta plus 1. Beta right now is 50. So this is 51, this is 50 times with 1K. So this one equal to 40.12 microampere. So the IE is going to be equal to beta plus 1, which is 51, times with the 40.12 microampere is going to be 2.05 milliampere. Okay, make sure you use 2 decimal places in all your calculation. Okay, for example, this one, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. Okay, and then to find the RE, just substitute the value of IE here. So this value going to be 5.68 ohms. Okay, it's quite small. Okay, so this is the range of the RE is between 5 until 50 or 100 ohm. So for the AC analysis, what we need to do is we have to draw the equivalent circuit. If you still remember, for the transistor, equivalent circuit for the transistor, we have beta RE here. We have the E terminals here. This one, the base terminal, E terminal. This is the input, and then for the output, we have the current flow from top to bottom, and then we have the R naught, and then this is the C terminal, and then this is the E terminal. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit for the transistor. So from the base terminal is going to connect to the RB. So from the RB is connect to ground, and then here we need to measure the value of Vin plus minus Vin, and then here from the C terminal is going to connect to the RC and then straight to the ground. Okay, here we're going to measure the value of V0. Then for the E terminal, if you remember, in AC analysis, this RE going to be bypassed because of the existence of the capacitor here. So it's bypassed, so meaning that it's going straight to the ground. And this is going to be the ground. So let me label first. This one RB, one beta RE, one beta IB. So the value of Zin is very clear, which is RB parallel with beta RE. So the value of RB is 430 kilo ohm, parallel with beta is 50, and then the value of RE is 12.68. It's going to be equal to 430 kilo times with 50 times with 12.68 over 430 kilo plus 50 times 12.68, okay, equal to 633.06 ohm. Okay, for the Z node is equal to, if we look from right to the left, so RC parallel with R node, so the value of R node is 50k parallel with RC 2k. So Z node is equal to 1.92 kilo ohm. Okay, if you can figure out when the R node is 6, actually Z node is almost equal to RC. So this one 1.92 is actually almost equal with 2k. Okay, next question asks for the value of AV. So AV is equal to V naught over V in. So if you look from here, V naught is equal to this, the current is flow from left from the top to down, meaning that the polarity here is minus here and plus here, because the current flow like this from higher to the low. V naught equal to total current, which is beta IP, times with the total resistance just now is RC parallel with R naught, we present here 1.92 kilo, and then over, so we do not have the value of I here. Actually we can present in terms of IB here, so V in equal to IB times beta RE here. So IB times beta RE is equal to this one, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So actually it's only RE here. So minus 1.92k over RE, which is 12.68 ohm. Okay, equal to 100 minus 151.42 without units, because of this voltage and then this one voltage, so we just cancel out the unit. Okay, and then for the AI, the current gain, so I naught over I in, so the value of I naught we can get from here is equal to, yeah, I naught is equal to beta IB minus beta IB. Okay, I in, the V in here, just now we get the value of IB beta RE. This is the V in, so we need to divide with the value of Z in. And Z in we just get the value of 633.07. Okay, so just cancel out this one, cancel, cancel, cancel. So we're going to have the value of 633.07 over RE. RE is represented by 12.68. So this one is going to be equal to minus 49.93. Okay, without unit. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.